Hello friends, welcome to Prismatic online class. In this class, we are going to look at what determinant of what 3 by 3 matrices. Okay, in our previous class, I've explained how to generate what determinant of what 3 by 3 matrices and how to solve it or how to calculate it. But today, I want to give more emphasis on that how to solve it, on how to solve what 3 by 3 determinants. So now, how do we do that? Let's start. They say that given that A equals to 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 3, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 5. The first rules and regulation is this: you must assign a binary operation plus. So the first place is what? Plus, just small plus. The second one is what? Minus. The third one is what? Plus. That is it. You need to do it. That is the first thing that you need to do. So assign what? Minus, plus, minus, plus on this. Now, next step is this. When you assign this, you need to reduce this. Let's just start solution. You need to reduce this matrices A into what? 2 by 2 matrices. Now what do we have? A determinant is equal to, what do we do? You assign, because this is plus, you have to write what? 1 into bracket 2 by 2 matrices. Now what do we have again? Minus. You now write minus. What number follows, which is 2, into bracket what? 2 by 2. And what do we have? We have what? Plus what? 3 into bracket what? 2 by 2 matrices. That is the first thing you need to do. First of all, irrespective of the sign that is beside this first rule, you need to what? Assign plus, minus, plus. It's constant. That is the method how to do it. You need to assign what? Plus, minus, plus. Whether even this one is minus or plus, or minus or plus, or minus or plus, it doesn't concern you. What concerns you is what? This plus, minus, plus. You write it just small on top of it and reduce this 3 by 3 to what? 2 by 2 matrices. That is how to do a determinant. Now get something like this. Now that first rule, you want to pick one from the first rule. You now keep it like this. Close that first rule. Now, where do you close? You pick one from this first row. Pick, and there is one from the row, one from column. So you need to what? Make it in the sense that the first row is parallelized. The first column is parallelized. What do we have? We are left with what? 3, 1, 3, minus 1, 5. You put it here. 1, 3. Minus 1, 5. Now, this rule is constant. Don't remove it. You keep changing. I want to go for second one, which is now the rule will be, the column will be what? Will be covered. And what do we have? Column. If column is covered, what do we have? We have 0, 3, 2, 5. So what will be here will be 0, 3, 2, 5. Now, the first row is constant. Change the column, the last column, like this. What do we have? We have 0, 1, 2, minus 1. So what do we have? 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 1. That is how to generate 3 by 3 what? The matrix determinant. That is how to solve it. So block the first rule. You'll be changing it 1 against the first column, and the remainder write it. Block the second. The first row is constant. Block the second column. We are left with 0, 3, 2, 5, and block the third row. We are left with what? 0, 1, 2, minus 1, and that is how to solve it. So finally, what do we have? 3 by 3 now. What do we have? We have that 1 into bracket. The first leading diagonal, which is 1 and 5. 1 times 5 minus what? Into bracket what? 3 times minus 1. Close the bracket. Okay. Minus 2 into bracket what 0 times 5 minus what 2 times 3, close it, plus what 3 into bracket what 0 times minus 1 minus 2 times 1, close it. So what do we have? Finally, what do we have? A determinant is equal to 1 into what? 1 times 5 will give us 5 minus what? Into bracket minus what? 3. Close the bracket. Now minus 2 into what? 0 times 5 is 0 minus what? 6. Close the bracket. Plus 3 into what? 0 times minus 1 is 0 minus 2 times 1 is what? Minus 2. Close it. Finally, what do we have? A determinant is equal to 1 into bracket 5 minus times minus will give us plus what? 3. Close it. Minus 2 into bracket 0 minus 6 will give us minus 6 plus 3 into bracket 0 minus 2 will give us minus 2. Close it. Finally, what we have? A determinant is equal to 1 into bracket 5 plus this will give us 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Close it. Minus 2 times minus this will give us plus 12. Plus minus 3 times minus 2 will give us minus 6. Finally, what we have? A determinant is equal to what? 8 plus 12 minus 6. This A determinant is equal to what? 12 to this will give us what? 20. 20 minus what? 6. Finally, what we have? That A determinant is equal to what? 14. So finally, our result, final answer is that what? A determinant is equal to what? 14. And that is how to solve determinant of what? 3 by 3 matrices. So first of all, you need to what? Resolve, you need to what? Bring it down, reduce it down to what? 2 by 2 matrices. That is the reason why what we have done here, reduce it. And before you reduce to 2 by 2 matrices, you need to assign plus, minus, plus, so that this one will be plus, minus, plus. So you reduce it, partition them in 2 by 2 matrices. And how do we do this? Use something, cover the first row. So pick the against the first column. You now select 1, 3, minus 1, 5. Use something, cover the second column. Go to second column, we are left with what? 0, 3, 2, 5. Cover the third column. We have 0, 1, 2 minus 1. That is how we generate this. And after everything, remember that before you multiply 2 by 2, you multiply the right leading diagonals against minus the left leading diagonals. And that is how to do it. Thanks and God bless you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like, and comment to my comment section. God bless you. Bye.